So what I'm going to do to achieve that is I'm just going to go Control D on the Mountain 05, which gives me two layers down here, and I want to select the new layer that's been created, which is Mountain 06, and I'm just going to go Layer, New, Solid. We'll leave it white and make it comp size. We'll go OK to that. We're going to move that down underneath Mountain 06. Then we're going to use Mountain 06 as a track matte. And basically what that does, if I isolate that, is it just gives us a white version of that far mountain. And now I'm just going to select both of those layers, the white solid and the Mountain 06, and I'm going to pre-comp that. I'm just going to layer, pre-compose, move all attributes is fine, and then open new composition. Now we'll call this Mountain Ridge Far, and we'll go OK to that. Now what we've got there is, notice our Mountain 06 is in 3D space, and it's in the correct position where it should be in the shot. So what we can do now, and I'll just double check that, hit P, and provided that Z number is quite large, it's more than likely to be exactly where it needs to be, and we can always check that when we come back into our main comp. So I'm going to grab both those layers. I'm going to go Control D to duplicate them, but on the top solid I'm going to go Layer, Solid Settings, and I'm just going to change it to black. I'm just going to go OK to that, and what that does is gives a very fine rim line that we're going to accentuate a little bit here. If we go to the top Mountain 07 and just go into our effects layer, we can get rid of the ramp. We don't need the ramp in this scene, and same with the Mountain 06, just get rid of that. And in the Mountain 07 we're going to introduce a matte simple choker, and if we push that number up we can get more of a ridge line there, and that's what we want. Now with the Mountain 06 solid down the bottom, the one right down the bottom, we're going to create a mask, an elliptical mask. So just grab your ellipse tool and just draw a mask around, roughly around that area where the sun is, and we can come back into our master comp and we can get a good idea of where that is falling there. So what we can do, notice it's a little bit out of whack given where our sun is here, and that's because we need to switch on the collapse transforms toggle. If we switch that